You see how incredible that grain is?
It's amazing,
Yeah.
I love it.
When we pass this boundary, we're leaving the ordinary world behind, and we're entering a world that's special for us.
Okay.
Come on in. I would invite you to check in to this environment. Getting out of your thinking and opening up your senses. You're going to find that for the rest of the day, maybe the rest of the week, you're going to have a lot sharper focus. You're going to have a lot more creativity. You're probably going to sleep better.
But it was very interesting because I never experienced something like that.
I feel more sensitive.
I was like really connected and I found that pretty cool.
You can just be shaping things on this. Everybody is in the forest and they're exploring creativity through their hands. Yeah, just don't forget to breathe, that's all. It's yours.
It's a trophy.
People can come and join me in this work and get out and experience something really new and really fun.